Hello kids, how are you doing today? I hope that all of you are doing fine, okay? So I know kids that you miss already the school, but because of the virus, we have to stay at home so that we will be safe, okay? So we will just have first our video lessons. So for today, we will be having English, week 15. It's about lesson 2, facts about water. These are the things that you need. So you need your English learner's book, English activity book, pencil and eraser, also notebook and paper. For our objectives, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to listen and read a poem, recognize the use of water, identify animals that live in water, and answer some activities. And for our references, we have the English Learner's Book, pages 110 to 111. English Activity Book, pages 90 to 91. Start. So for today, we will be talking about facts about water. Okay, let's answer first the questions. So what do plants need to live and grow? Do you know, kids? How about the other question? What do animals need to live and grow? So what do you think both plants and animals need to live and grow? Aside from food, what do they need? Okay, animals and plants and also us people, we need water. Okay, so we need water to live and grow. Okay, that's why we are drinking water. Okay, animals drink water also, as well as the plants. Okay, they need to be watered in order for them to live and grow. Now kids, I want you to open your English Learner's Book on page 110. So have you seen this page? Okay, so on this page we have a poem. So the title of our poem is We All Need Water. So Miss Milky will read first the poem and then after that, you're going to read after me, okay? Okay, are you ready? Okay, now let me first read and then you're going to listen. We all need water. All living things need water. Plants need water to grow. Animals need water to drink. People need water to drink too. Water comes from the rain and snow. When there is no rain, the land becomes dry and brown. When rain comes, the land becomes green again. Plants can grow again. Animals and people have water to drink again. All living things need water. Okay, did you understand the poem, kids? Okay, so now it's time for you to read after me, okay? So let's start. We all need water. All living things need water. Plants need water to grow. Animals need water to drink. People need water to drink too. Water comes from rain and snow. When there's no rain, the land becomes dry and brown. When rain comes, the land becomes green again. Plants can grow again. Animals and people have water to drink again. All living things need water. Very good. Now, after you watch this video, kids, I want you to keep on reading the poem and maybe you can send me a video, okay, while you are reading the poem, okay? So, the poem is about water, right? Okay, if you're going to observe the pictures, Okay, so the plants, okay, need water. The animals, okay, here the zebra are drinking water. And the girl is drinking water also. But on the last picture, on the bottom picture, if you're going to observe, what's the color of the land? Yes, it is color brown. Okay, so because when there is no rain or snow, okay, the land becomes dry and brown. Okay, that's why we need rain or snow so that we can have water. Very good. Let's continue. Now, kids, let's study the animals that live in water. Do you know some of the animals that live in water? Can you tell me one animal that lives in water? Okay, very good. Now let's study. Choose the animals that live in water. So, on your English learner's book, you're going to find this on page 111. So, animals that live in water. Which of these animals live in water? Okay, let's begin with the first one. What is the first animal on your left side? Okay, it's a frog. So frog lives in water. Actually, both land and water. How about the next picture, the crocodile? Okay, correct. The crocodile also lives in water. How about the hen? Do you think the hen live in water? Okay, no. Okay, the hen live on land. Okay. How about the next picture? Okay, so the turtle lives in water. How about the next one? What do you call the next animal? Yes, correct. It is a fish. So fish lives in water. How about the next picture? The elephant. Do you think it lives in water? No. Okay. So elephant, okay, do not live in water. Okay. How about the last picture? What is this picture? It might look a shark, but it is a whale. Everybody say whale. Okay, so whale live also in water. Okay. So write about animals that live in water. Choose 3 animals from the pictures that we have discussed. Use the model below to fill in the missing words. And then draw a picture. You can answer this in your notebook or in a piece of paper. So many animals live in water. So the first one is frogs live in water. So you have to choose 2 more animals that live in water and you have to draw their pictures. Okay? Okay, kids, let us review again the animals that lives in water. So I want you to repeat after me, okay? So we have frog, crocodile, turtle, fish, whale. Okay, very good. So I will read again and you have to repeat after me, okay? Once more. Okay, let's do it. Frog, crocodile, turtle, fish, whale. Okay, and I know that you can see the pictures of these animals on the other side of this slide, okay? Now kids, let us see how do we use water. Okay, so on your English Learner's book, page 111, you will find these pictures. So how we use water. So look at the pictures and read the sentences. So let's have the first picture, okay, with arrow. So what do you think is the lady or the girl is doing? Okay, what is inside the pot? Okay, so you read after me. We use water to make soup. Okay, so the lady or the girl is making soup. Okay, so again, let's read the sentence. We use water to make soup. Okay, next one. How about the next picture? Okay, So, what can you see from the picture? Okay, so there are two hands. And what are they doing with the hands? Okay, so will you read after me? We use water to wash our hands. Okay, very good. Especially now at this time, it's very important for us to wash our hands. So we have to wash our hands, okay, to keep it clean. Okay, very good. So think of another things we do with water. So you have to complete the sentence. So we use water to, okay, so you can write or complete this on your English learner's book, okay? Okay, now kids, this time we will use our English activity book, pages 90 to 91. Okay, so facts about water. So this activity has 6 parts, okay? The first one is living things. Animals and plants are living things. Remember, we have studied living things in science. Circle the picture of living things. So you have the rock, turtle, boots, apple tree, and rabbit. So you just have to circle the pictures that are living things. So these are the plants and animals. Next, for the second part, draw and write. Draw pictures of 2 more living things. Write the words under the pictures. So there are boxes provided, 2 boxes. Draw 2 more living things and write their name under the boxes, okay? Next, for the third one, watery words. Find the words in the word snake. So circle the words. So the first one is already answered, the rain, okay? Look for the other words such as snow, river, lake, water, and drink. Next, for the fourth part, label the picture. Write the words on the lines. So observe, okay, what are these pictures? So the words in the word snake will help you. So you can get the answers from the word snakes. Okay, number 5. Over to you. Answer the questions with yes, there is, and no, there isn't. So you have to look at the picture, okay, the fourth picture, okay, and answer the following questions. The questions are the following. Is there rain where you live? Is there a snow where you live? Is there a river or a lake near your house? So you're just going to answer yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Okay? Now, how do we use water? So finish the 2 sentences below. The word box will give you some ideas. So we use water to wash. Okay, choose the correct word from the word box. We use water to make. Okay, so I will give you time, kids, to finish this activity. Once you finish it, you have to send me the picture, okay, so that I can check in class dojo, okay? For our activity time, make a book called We Use Water in Many Ways. Write a sentence and draw a picture on each page. So you have to give 4 uses of water. So I have here an example. The first picture is the cover, and the other picture is my sample. Okay, so we use water for watering plants, or we use water to water plants. Okay, so once you finish your activity book, class, okay, or your book, you have to send me the picture and I'll give you 5 class dojo points. Okay, so always remember, kids, be creative with this activity and enjoy doing this activity. That's the end of our video. I hope that you learn and you enjoy our lesson for today. Once again, kids, I will remind you, do not go outside the house. Always stay at home so that you will be safe, okay? So see you in our next video. Bye, kids!